Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up a pricing page UI using Webflow templates. Easy tutorial step by step. First, open your Webflow dashboard and create a new project. Select a suitable template that offers a pricing page design. Once your template is loaded, navigate to the pricing page section. Begin by customizing the header to reflect your brand's colors and logo. Next, focus on the pricing tables. Choose a layout that works best for your offerings. Edit the text in each pricing tier to depict the services provided. Ensure that the pricing is clear and competitive. Consider adding a popular choice label to highlight your main offering. Use icons or images to visually represent each pricing feature. Adjust the styles to enhance readability and visual appeal. Once the basic content is set, add call to action buttons. These buttons should direct users to sign up or learn more. Keep the buttons distinct and noticeable for better user engagement. Next, integrate testimonials or reviews to build trust. Position these below the pricing tables for maximum effect. Now, focus on mobile responsiveness. Switch to the mobile view in Webflow to adjust layouts accordingly. Ensure that all text and buttons are easily clickable on smaller screens. Preview the page to check for any inconsistencies. Finally, publish your site to make the pricing page live. Review the live page to ensure everything functions as intended. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.